All right, it is the season, right? It's my time for my favorite cocktail that I make all year. I drink them all year long, even though most people think that you shouldn't drink them. The ice pick. It is the beginning of all things great for me. It has iced tea, best, and then you add your favorite liquor. Sometimes vodka, sometimes, gin, whatever you're feeling, right? But here's the trick to making the best ice pick you can make. There's two things. One, you're gonna make an iced tea concentrate. An iced tea concentrate means that you're putting a double the amount of tea that goes into making iced tea. If you use a flat amount of regular iced tea, right? So if you use 8 ounces to 1 tea bag, it is going to be diluted once you put the alcohol in there. So what you're going to do is a 2-to-1 ratio. 2 tea bags for every 8 ounces of steeped liquid. Now, here's another trick that I love. I take 4 ounces of hot water, 2 tea bags. I steep it. It gets super dark. Then I add 4 ounces of cold water. Boom, you have 8 ounces there. Guess what that makes? 4 cocktails. Delicious. Love it. My favorite. So you have this concentrate. Now, don't worry. I'm going to put it all in the notes. You don't have to race along. But just remember, keep it up. Double up the tea, half the amount of water, add the cold later, right? So you're going to have this beautiful mix that looks like this, right? So it's nice and cloudy. So this is a sweet orange tea, which I really love to use. Tazo makes it. You can buy it in any grocery store, anywhere. I looked. I try to bring everything to you that is not like I can only get it in this little tiny shop in Georgetown, right? Which you can get little tiny things in Georgetown and DC. Anyway, this is a really great tea. It smells delicious. It's got like this wild orange blend. I love it. So now, second part, two-parter, right? You're going to learn how to roll a drink. So first thing you do is you fill up your glass with as much ice as that you need. So if that's your drink and it's all the way to the top and there is going to be liquid in there, you're going to take your tea, you're going to fill it to the top, and you would have your alcohol and everything else in there, and you're going to learn how to roll your drink. Rolling a drink is a real thing. It's not shaking, it's rolling. You take your shaker tin, you take your glass. You have these two things. Take this, and you pour it in. That's 1. Back. It's 2, 3, and 4. Right? That's what they mean by a 4 times, right? It's just back and forth, and then but it happens, it puts a little head on it. When you add sugar, another juice, alcohol, whatever, you get a big frothy head, and you're not destroying the tea. Tea is complicated. It doesn't like to be tortured too much. So enjoy it. Cheers. Love an ice pick. Also love the summer. So see ya.